Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to go and be showing you how to find your Venmo statements. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, what we're going to go and be doing is opening up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com. This is the official URL. On your mobile phone, just go ahead and open up the Venmo application after downloading it. So once you have opened up the application, now we can get started. The first thing we can do to take a look at our statements is to log into our account. So if you do not already have a Venmo account, what you can do is register for one. So using the Get Venmo option right here, it's going to go ahead and enable you to register an account. So once you got your account, you can log in normally, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page, and your home page is going to look something like this. This is the main page of Venmo, from where we can get started accessing all the sections that we have, such as the home section, cards, pay request, and so on. And now we can get started. So to take a look at our transactions and our statements is very easy. All we have to do is right here in the main page, click on the Me tab in the bottom right corner. By clicking on the Me tab right here, it's going to open up your profile right here, from where you can take a look at your friends, your wallet balance, and so on. As you can see guys, here we have an area that says transactions. So once you open up your transactions, this is going to go ahead and enable you to take a look at all your statements and transactions that you have on Venmo. It's going to show you all the payments that you made using Venmo, and here you can go ahead and download them, send them, and so on, do whatever you want with them, but they're all going to go and be appearing right here, and that's how to find them. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.